Hello everyone. In this video today, I want to explain to you how you can calculate what you earn on Tomarket that I've just given allocation today. Tomarket has given its allocation today, and then for the listing price, everybody is waiting this time or thereabout. Now, in this video, I'm going to explain to you how you can estimate or even calculate the Naira value and the dollar value of the Tomarket, the Toma that you earn. I'm going to take a particular stoma for as a standard. Many people have said it is only those who got the premium, who took part in the premium that got very big things, and then that they gave him very low thing. They gave him 4,000, some people 5,000, some people 6,000, some people 7,000, and then some people 20,000, some people 30,000. I am going to use 10,000 stoma as an example in this calculation of the dollar value and the naira value that you're going to get. So let's say you are given 10,000 stoma, and then listing price now, which is this listing price is not authentic, is just like an experimental listing value, a suggested listing value, a thought out listing value. Let's say the listing value is $0.2. If they list for $0.2, that means you are with 10,000 stoma at listing at $0.2. That is going to be equivalent to $2,000 for you, and in naira that is 3.2 million. Now let's leave that alone and move to 0.02. Let's assume that they listed for $0.02, and then you have 10,000 stoma given to you today. What you are going to do, all that is going to be in dollar is $200, and $200 is going to give you 320,000 naira if you are using 1,600 naira as the exchange rate from naira to dollar. From dollar to naira, beg your pardon. Now let's assume that the listed stoma listed for 0.02, 0.002. That means you are going to get $20, because what that implies is that you multiply that 10,000 stoma that you have by 0.002 will give you $20, which is equivalent to 32,000 naira. Let's assume that they listed for 0.0002. That means 3 zeros and then 2. And then you have 10,000 stoma. That is equivalent to $2 only. And in naira, that will be 3,200. Then if they listed for 10,000, you have 10,000 stoma as your allocation, and they listed for 0.00002. That is 4 zeros after the decimal point, and then 2. That's going to give you $0.2, which is going to be equivalent to 320 naira. So you do the math, and based on what you have, and then in the next few days, we are going to see what they listed, and from there we are going to calculate exactly what you have. Now, when you have your allocation now, and when they list, if you need the money as urgent as possible, better you sell it on time, because the moment they list, the price will keep coming down until it stabilizes at a bottom before it starts rising again. So during that time, many people, when they list, many people want to sell out, so they have to crash the price. So what are you waiting for? Think of what you're going to do with your stoma and start preparing yourself for the next level. I will see you in the next video. If you like content like this, please subscribe to this channel, share the link of this video, and let me know what you think about in the comment section. I will see you in the next one. Until then, on this channel, I teach you how to make money both online and offline. And if you come along on this channel, you are going to be glad you did. This video popping up by the side is the next you need to see now. See you in the next one. Bye-bye.